Could we be witnessing a seismic shift in CPU-GPU integration with the new AMD Ryzen 8000G? The rumor mill is spinning, and it's all about AMD's upcoming Ryzen 8000G lineup. The Ryzen 5 8600G, with its Radeon 760M integrated graphics, is making quite a splash, particularly when placed head-to-head with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. The benchmark scores tell a compelling tale. On the Geekbench 6.2 Vulkan benchmark test, the Ryzen 5 8600G clocks in at a whopping 30,770, and on Geekbench's OpenCL test, it hits a solid 24,842. That's not just competitive, that's downright impressive. It seems that AMD is not just looking to play ball but to change the game entirely. The Ryzen 5 8600G is not just beating the GTX 1060, it's outshining it, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a future where the lines between CPU and GPU become increasingly blurred. These benchmark scores are certainly turning heads in the tech community. Let's dive deeper into the leaks about the Ryzen 5 8600G's specs and pricing. The Ryzen 5 8600G is touted to feature Radeon 760M integrated graphics and a clock speed of 2.8 GHz. This chip is a power-packed performer designed to take gaming experiences to a whole new level. To complement its robust performance, the processor is equipped with a system featuring two 16GB DDR5-6000 DIMMs, which is a treat for all the hardware geeks out there. Now let's talk about the price tag. The leaks suggest a price range between $236 to $281. This attractive pricing, coupled with its impressive specs, makes the Ryzen 5 8600G an enticing option for gamers looking for an upgrade. And the icing on the cake? AMD is set to officially announce its Ryzen 8000G processors at CES 2024, which is just around the corner. The gaming community eagerly anticipates more details from AMD at CES 2024. AMD's Ryzen 5 8600G doesn't just outperform the GTX 1060, it does so with greater efficiency. This chip is not just about top-tier performance, but also how effectively it uses power. It's a game-changer in the realm of CPU-GPU integration, and here's why. It's paving the way for a future where more energy-efficient chips can deliver high gaming performance. Imagine a world where your PC, equipped with the Ryzen 5 8600G, can handle a wide array of games, from the latest 8AA titles to the most demanding VR experiences. And it does all this while using less power, which not only saves you money on your energy bills, but also contributes to a more sustainable future. This is the potential of the Ryzen 5 8600G. It's not just about what it can do today, but what it signifies for the future of gaming and beyond. As we look forward to the official announcement at CES 2024, the Ryzen 5 8600G suggests a compelling future for CPU-GPU integration. Are we on the brink of a new era,